In the previous sessions, we have learned about querying the data and getting the data from the sales table. We were seeing the detailed information like what was the sales date, what was the total volume, what was the VAT amount, and we were seeing the detailed raw data. Now let's group the data and let's do some aggregation, or let's do a summary. What do you mean by summary? Summary is nothing but combining multiple rows into a value which is meaningful. Example, here, how many fruits do we have here? So immediately in the mind you think, okay, let's do the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7. What did we do here? We did an aggregation. That means we identified the objects and we counted them. Here, which fruit has the more count? Is it the apples or oranges? Let's count. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples and 1, 2 oranges. Which fruit has more count? Obviously, apples has more count. Here we did two kinds of summary. First we did the sum and we identified there were 5 apples, and then we have identified that there were 2 oranges. So to find out which fruit had more count, we did the maximum of 5 and 2, which is 5. So obviously apples was the answer. In the same way, how we are doing the summary in mind, even database can do summary of a rows. Now let's see what kind of summary a database can do. Below are the various functions which a database can do on a set of rows. Minimum, which is min, it can return the smallest value among the group. Max, it can return the largest value in the group. Sum, it returns the sum of the values in the group. Average, returns the average of the values in the group. Count, counts the number of rows in that result set. First, returns the first value in the group, and last returns the last value in the group. Like this, different functions do a different job. Let's look at how these functions work. So we have a sales table. So we have 7 rows. So first let's do the count. Count of star from sales. Just 7. It means we have 7 rows. Okay. Let me do sum of total amount. It is 4620. 4620, right? 4620. So how did we get 4620? It summed up all these values to get to 4620. This is nothing but a summary, or we call it as grouping the data. So now let's do one more expression. Let's do what is the minimum of total amount. What is the minimum? 44. Let's do what is the maximum of total amount. Maximum is 1760. Okay, like this we can perform various summary functions on the data.